Hi, Jeremy Morgan here, the Big Drone Geek. Today I'm going to be talking about this, the Mavic 3 Classic. I just picked one up, and I'm going to give you my first impressions. Now, as a disclaimer, DJI did not send me this drone or pay me anything. I bought it with my own money and I have no affiliation. So I can say whatever I want. Is it worth it? Let's see. Now just look at this thing. It's awesome. I love this new cover that holds the gimbal in place and keeps all the propellers held in. Pretty cool. Now this drone is pretty big. It's the biggest drone I own now. And it takes up quite a bit more space than I'm used to, but that's fine. Now this video is a little out of focus, but listen to the audio. This drone seems quieter than my other ones. Now it's probably just a lower frequency, but it seems very quiet, and I like that. Now, as I take this for a spin, I notice right away the video quality is way better than I'm used to. This stuff looks fantastic. I don't have any ND filters yet, and I haven't done any real tweaking with the pro mode of the video or anything like that, but compared to my Air 2S and Mini 3, this is some great stuff. Even night shots look considerably better than anything I've gotten from my Air 2S. Now this is a poor example, and I'll show more later for sure. I'll go into the city with some real lights and do a cool night shot. Now who is this targeted for? I think it's for people like me. I do use drones for both professional and recreational uses. However, I don't have some big giant drone business with 1 million customers and things like that. I just kind of tinker around. I have a DJI Air 2S that I use for a lot of my filming, and I love it. However, I have bumped into some issues with the sensor. At night or adverse lighting conditions, things like that, kind of has a problem. I've pulled out my Mini 3 and done some pickup shots to make up for it. And I've wanted a Mavic 3 for a while, but it's about $3,000 for the Flymore kit. It's $5,000 if I want ProRes and a 1 terabyte drive. Yes, that would be awesome, but it's hard to justify for me personally. But I can get that same camera minus the telephoto lens and it's below $2,000? Yes, of course, I had to try it. Do I think it's worth it? Absolutely. I can already feel what I pay for in just flying this thing for 15 minutes. And I'll tell you why. It flies really smooth. It was really windy out there and the drone didn't even flinch. The image and video quality is so much better than what I'm used to. And I tested this in not so great weather and lighting, but that's what it looked like today. And I can clearly see a difference. That bigger sensor really pays off. Photos are way better, videos are smooth and crisp. Also, the battery drained far slower than what I'm used to. Do I feel good about paying $1,700 for this drone? Absolutely. Should you? Yeah, probably. Whether you're a pro or just doing this for fun, I think it's well worth the money. And if you want to step up to that pro level, it's already there. I think it's great. It's perfect for people like me. I'll use this for business and for fun. Feel free to ask me anything about this drone in the comments and subscribe to this page if you like this kind of stuff. Be sure to check out my blog, bigdronegeek.com, where I'm writing about the stuff I'm learning with drones every day. Thank you for watching.